Ready? Okay. 1, 2. Yay! Rapido. Hi. Can I have, sir? Thank you so much. Slowly. Okay.
Where's camera in Philippines?
Where the great scammer? T-shirt! Hi, sawadika. Thank you so much. Selfie. Selfie. One more. Selfie. Sal tayo na. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Rapido.
Sa karera, may tinatawag na pit walk kung saan dito tayo mag-ootmura ng mga souvenir stickers at marami pang iba. So samahan niyo ako, marami tayong kukunin. Let's go!
Cup. May libre cup. This one free? Okay, thank you. Marami pa doon. Kapong cup. Oh, Honda. Ano naman to? Hi, kapong cup. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Dami na, guys. May bigay ako sa mga followers. Meron ka rin? Kapong cup. Paalam ka. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ibang souvenir yung gusto mo eh. Next. Spin only. Spin. Slowly. Okay. Sticker only. Okay. Honda. Hi, hello. Can I have? Thank you so much. Thank you, Kapong Cup. Ano nakuha mo? Sticker lang.
May idol.
Naka-picture ka kay Idol? Good luck on your race later.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I. 1, 2. Alay, siya, yung ngiti.
Double heart.
Okay, ready? Okay. 1, 2. Yay! Dito na tayo mag-outbura. Yamaha. Rapido. Hi. Can I have, sir? Thank you so much, Rapido.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Oh yes, thank you. Here you go. Bottle, okay. Hindi, tumbler lang din. Thanks. Mga cups, mga ganito, ayun o.
DBS.
Meron ka na?
Yes, of course.
Swerte naman, t-shirt.
This is now for sale.
Binibenta mo.
Joking.
Binibenta mo, boss. Follow. Sana t-shirt. Polo, my friend. Polo. Is this polo? Polo, that's polo? That's polo? What's that? Sticker only. Can I have one more? Okay, thank you so much, my friend. Boss!
No more.
Malas ako.
Of course.
Keychain.
No, still lucky.
Pati normal eh.
You have. Oh, because you have. You give me?
Give me. Okay.
Sabi ko, where's the t-shirt?
It's keychain.
Oh. One more.
Keychain.
They're so handsome. Two more.
Keychain. Oy, ba't ikaw tatlo?
Pag 10M unlimited.
Keychain.
No.
Oh! T-shirt. Balik mo. Keychain.
No more try.
Keychain. One try.
This is the real outbura in Philippines. Yeah. Okay, I can see.
Celebrity. Scammer, Philippines.
Where's camera in Philippines?
Where the great scammer? T-shirt. Try.
Famous scammer in Philippines.
Here, look.
Keychain nakuha ko.
Keychain. Maging thankful ka. Kung ano yung mga tinatanggap mo, maging ma-appreciate mo dapat yan.
Thank you.
For sale. For sale.
Baka naman
For sale.
bukol sa likod niyan.
Three. Hi! Hi! What's that? What's that? Thank you so much.
Hello. Okay.
Grabe. Good luck on your game.
Kung ano idol?
Oh, yung idol mo to. Come on. Hi, sawadika. Thank you so. Selfie?
Selfie.
Selfie. Selfie. Selfie tayo na. 1, 2, 3. Selfie.
Can I?
Ah, masabi selfie ka. Meron. SPK Racing. Ken. Thank you so much. Rapido number 1.
Super open.
Super open. Super open. Boss, wala bang t-shirt dyan, boss?
Pag-uwi sa Pilipinas.
Pag-uwi sa Pilipinas.
Ito kami, buta.
I know one word from Philippines.
Yeah, what word? Mahal kita. Teach him.
Sabi mo, tot nakap.
What?
Tot nakap.
Nakap.
Tot nakap.
Ano yung tot na ka?
Kain mabuti.
Kain mabuti.